Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So this is a very good time, my friend, for all Pancakeswap holders. To this time, my friends get a lot of good profit now because it's a very good time for all of you now. And my prediction is also 100% going positive now. I already predicted this coin, my friend, but definitely I am going to predicate this practically now and live. So therefore, this is very important for all of you to watch this video completely to understand better now to what's going on. But please, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, first of all, I have good news for all of you. To this time, my friend, the price is increasing because, my friend, all coins were very badly fails down, dumps down, but Pancakeswap is one of the unique. They will give you a profit, so it's a very good chance and very good time, my friends, you will get a profit. My brothers, the price is increasing 100%, my friend, in upcoming time. This is chance to you will earn money. But my friend, sometimes this coin will fails down also. You can see here every coin will moving in this circulation. But sometime, my friend, as you can see here, they will very badly fails down like that, like the first jump. But as you can see, my friend, they will also take a very huge jump sometimes. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, too. This is does not mean if they were fails down, so this is does not mean to you will starting selling. Just and only you will need to hold and wait for the good time. I hope in they will, my friends, starting moving upward, they especially at the end of month. Last 10 days of every month every coin will moving upward. So therefore you will need to hold all these 10 days, my friend, and absolutely sell it at the end of month. I will give you guarantee, my friends, to you will get a profit. If you not get a profit now, unsubscribe my channel and please don't watch my any video. But if you will get a profit now, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos, and absolutely every month every day get a profit now. Thanks for watching, Pancakeswap holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel and do one best comment, share your opinion also in a comment box. So this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Allah Hafiz, take care.